Hello kids, welcome back to the fun learning. So let's learn about fruits and vegetables. Which fruit is this? Can you identify? So it's apple. A for apple. Which fruit is this? It's green from outside and red from inside. It's watermelon. W for watermelon. Which vegetable is this? This is lemon. L for lemon. Which vegetable is this? This is capsicum. C for capsicum, green capsicum. Which fruit is this? Can you identify this fruit? This is grapes. G for grapes. Can you identify this fruit? This is orange. O for orange. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos.